No, if you think about it, make the money as on there. As you not burn on this backside. No, man. I'm your parent in here. I can't believe me a parent and I can't sleep in my place in peace. Sure. I'm a matter of fact, all who want me come here, you know. Hey, Pastor, I see you want me now. And Rasta boy. Remember, you want me 3,000 of a cheese stick a week. One that know. And Pastor, you want me 2 sticks to you know. And 3 guineas and 1 cigarette. Yeah, and bread. Hey, that over Red Bull. Everybody come and trust on my sitting them there. Blast. There's that. They're coming up on my wrong side this morning. I little dirty go one. I pay trust is just for me now. Me not trust somebody else. That's why they date this shit. No more trust.
No man, no. Nasty Ringo is what they do now, eh?
Hey,
you know for me sit on the one and you call me name?
Me just a talk about you know. Me just a talk about you know. I said they never trust nothing from me yet.
You see if that never did fast and me tired, I would have dip up underneath you. My friend Ringo, you can't trust me 1 cheese strips.
Hey, there's a fair go dance here, Logie. You can buy back a cheese sticks.
I'm not supposed to.
Megan, or if you dance for pool all night and can't buy back a cheese, you don't make tip.
You know, says I'm ungrateful, dad.
Or can't take cheese sticks.
You must remember saying me build up your old broke down style.
No, you bring some customer that can name down my stars. Your customer some chichi.
Anyway, Ringo, you see the white man come to me last night. Him not come back up here. Alright. You see, anytime a China man come, you just make sure I call me because I have the money. Yeah.
White man, China man. I can't buy a pack of cheese sticks.
Ringo, I'm taking my time for you, yeah. I'm take something entitled to.
Hey, I have 12 figure here. You know, say faster back to me if I get this money.
Hey, you're too light.
No, you're not yet. Say.
Yeah.
Pastor taking wife out of the house this morning. I don't know if my pastor and give the woman some go to hell lick. Hey. So you man drop on her back.
Hey.
And find that she not there, woman get up back and take some curse and dash it from the house. And light a light if I go burn it down.
No man.
And the gently hear the pan. Fire! Fire! Fire!
Do you mean just some excitement that when I'm here never come on my mobile? That's how you put on wicked so Ringo?
Me that try to call it on your mobile.
I want me.
Okay, you said the landlord said the court can not pay the rent.
I'm tired to talk to you. When I tell us over and over, eh? I tell you to stop watch and chat me. You know why, Ringo? You soon start to pay me the rent.
Hey, give me this.
Hey, listen up. I said, anything I tell you to do, I want you to do it because I say to do it. I'm from I say you must do it, I mean you must do it. I say kneel down. No, kneel down in this one. Hey, kneel down. I said, no, let go. Let go. I said, move from here, man. Let go. I said, no. Let me do it now. Let me come out there, man. No more oral, no more. Tired no more. Ben, I notice you're going to stop at it. I notice you won't hear what I said to you, you know. But you think about your needs. But what about my needs? Although my pastor have got needs too. But you know, you see the shop where you have it? That damn bar and I'm going to burn on it backside. Because the bar make you stay so.
But which one at the bar? Eh?
That damn bar we have down there.
Now you see man encourage before opening bar. Eh?
That is when the church ain't going nothing. But now the church have members night. Close it down.
You can't burn down my bar.
What you mean?
Eh? Don't forget, so my bar is my only livelihood.
Oh, so the bar is your livelihood. Babe, look how long me you there. So what about my livelihood?
I hit up pay the rent inside here. And that's why I said you. I'm not run from you. Hey, I'm not run from you. I'm not afraid of you again. I'm not run from you.
You know what you're talking about?
Not run from you.
I'm not that fucking. The good book says, I shall give the angel charge over thee, lest I dash my foot against stone like a yoke.
If I was the same angel there, and I take the same stone and they are looking at your forehead.
I check me.
No.
But the book says, the stone that the Bible It come the head cornerstone.
Go wash your molly ham.
I'm here talking.
No.
Hi, where the book say? It's anything about Molly, huh?
No.
Where say? It say clean hands and a pure in heart shall see.
Then what is wrong with you now? From where on the road me and two and argue?
You hear my mouth?
Kim, did you hear my voice? You
Kim.
hear my voice, Kim?
Kim.
Kim, I beg you now. One, the father, you know. Talk to him, you know. Because I wake up this morning from the wrong side, Kim. I want me to join him, you know, Kim. But Kim, I chat to you, you know. I put him chatting in the top, the last one, you know. Weird.
So you don't go up the cabin door? I beg. March yourself back here. Right now. Over there. Turn around. Come on. Like a pastor wife. Walk. Damn it after all. I say if treat them man.
You expect better from here, you know?
Expect better. I'm a dagger. Where you come from now?
Oh, daddy, you're coming from gym.
Jim! Come on. What's Jim?
I know what you're talking about.
What's Jim?
Daddy, Jim.
Jim, who named Jim? Kim, who named Jim?
Daddy, Jim is a...
Don't tell me about when I talk to you. When I talk to you, don't say anything. I said, who named Jim? Kim.
Daddy, Jim is a...
Kim, who named Jim? Kim. Kim, who named Jim? Kim.
Daddy,
Don't talk to me when I'm talking to you. When I'm talking to you, don't talk back to me because I'm talking to you. I said, who named Jim? Kim.
Daddy, Jim is a place where you go to exercise.
You don't shut tell me that. Now that me ask her, simple. You understand now? That's all I say.
Daddy, you should have seen me this morning down at the gym. You should have asked me to do my bench press.
Kim,
I'm proud of
you mean say, you go to a gym in a that way they look on you? Eh?
So what I'm doing?
I mean, know how Billy I thought you like look? Eh? Hey, listen, this. The bench, that will be a bench press. You see the yard? That will be your gym. Up, down, up, down. Oh.
You know how much money I have to be spending, you know?
Hold on now. Where you get money I spend? At the church money I spend, huh?
No, Daddy.
So where you get money?
My savings.
Kim, who gave the money for save? Not me. So when you save it, who you get back to? Not me.
And the instructor say I'm getting good.
Mirati. Instructor say you're getting who? No, I can't say it. I can't believe this. Oh, you know that? Eh? Look for me nice version. Oh my God. Instructor say you get who? Oh my Jesus. No, I can't believe this. Instructor know that.
Daddy, what is wrong with you? I see why Mama say get up on the wrong side of the morning. Have a nice day.
Wait, Damn! Back here at once! Kim, what did you do? Slam door in my face? Come back here. Here. Look at me when I'm talking to you. Drop your arms. Smile. Spin around and go to your room. After all. True then. Damn it after all. I'm fierce. Out the harder.
No, man. You sure? From when? So you just tell me now. Don't tell me about the time I'm not trying to tell me about my time to my husband and this verse. This is not real. You know, Warren. Problem, Warren. Talk to my sister, Warren. Talk to my sister. Where's the missing Warren?
Liar, where you say?
Where's the Warren? Mr. Wesley,
woman.
You know, you miss her. Where's the mister?
Where's the mister? Oh my gosh. Babe, do that bad. Babe, you know why the bad? Because me wonder how to you end up which one uglier.
No, come and get my prayer for me and my son missing.
Who miss your son?
Mister.
Then maybe your son miss your bad. I think I'm somebody missing. I mean, if your son missing, I treat you to look for him. Get a dead house. Arms house. Our prison.
Our house.
Thank you, Ringo. Our house.
I say thank you.
Hold on.
Make sure when I came back I got my red money, okay?
Ringo,
I need my money like, hey, okay.
Hey, me no there.
But the money me give you 15.
We don't know.
You can't take 2 trips.
I don't know. I got that.
Hello! Where are you waiting to?
You know say about you, come over there.
Come over here. You know that you're a liar?
Oh.
And I don't like come on hotel like how you can I. Don't run with me.
So you don't like a liar?
No.
So you don't like yourself?
Do you know that rent Joe till it late Joe? Okay. You got to pay some money like today.
So you rent the come from?
Yes.
So Pampas.
Don't do it. Mr. Pampas for you. In it?
Mr. Pampas, in it. You come to collect rent, in it. But Mr. Pampas, in it. I can tell you one thing, in it. When the rain falleth, in it. The roof leaketh, in it. And the rat and the roaches runneth, in it. And you come to collect rent, in it. Mr. Pampas, you might die, in it. The spirit come to me. I feel like preaching. The good book says, in my father's house, in it, there are many mansions, in it, and he gone, in it, to prepare a place, in it, that when he come again, in it, there shall I be, in it. So I soon gone, in it. Be done with you.
Let I ask you something. Is which church you preach?
You don't have to know that.
I have to know that. If your father have so many houses, why the hell you give me problem in my one?
Because I have enough tenant in there.
You don't.
Alright, we out here argue the pumpkin belly mantra, eh?
You
Me
don't
argue.
You don't understand, I know, so we're not paying a rent. We're not paying a rent in here.
Hey!
You don't know?
You quiet. She don't knows me,
Quiet.
and you don't knows me.
Am I right?
I will read this with you and she in it.
When I feel, you're only agent and I feel. You're not giving man no money. You're not giving Mr. Kitty money. If you give money, you're not giving. This is what I tell people say here, please. He's a thieving man. How you not get no more rent? No more rent for you.
Cheers the boy! Cheers the dirty boy! Tell him which part I move back to us!
What is?
You say you pull out me husband?
Me?
You say you tempt him?
Me tempt him?
You say you tempt me husband?
While he in jail, I me tempt
Just
you.
not paying the rent in here.
When I don't pay no rent, I said the garbage truck that come take it up in the morning.
And the whole of the time, come up in there.
Oh!
Alright, let me show you where we're not paying the rent.
What
Show
is
you
this
where
now?
looking at the toilet.
Okay.
Put your head down in the bowl last minute. The whole light bulb out.
Lock him up in
And it's
there.
out of order to you know. You know, say I collect maintenance money. What? You want to maintain it? I'm in for cost.
Hello?
For the maintenance money, you don't know.
Hello, chicken no face. Let me ask you a question. When I rent you this place, did I rent you with a toilet bung up?
Are you going up?
What's been ugly? Oh, you doesn't.
You don't call me?
Hi. Hey, little girl. Mr. Pampas for you, in it?
Mr. Pampas, me backside. I'ma see you on him up for that time.
Come on, baby.
What's you?
So let her go on, wrap up for rent. You never smoke without fight.
So Pampas,
What?
you are in it.
Then tell me something, baby. You're not right in the front room again.
Just back.
Oh,
You look like you're a kid when you're small. If you now pay for the one round at the back, at the front one you're gonna pay for, you're mad.
then Pampas.
What?
We don't can work out the front.
Hell no. That money they're too big, you know, the smaller money.
Pampas,
What?
if it's too big, you don't can swim in it.
Hey.
Hold on. Is rent you come collect?
Yes, Ringo.
No, is rent you come collect?
Try come out here.
Hi, Ringo. Don't know about it.
Ringo.
Ringo.
No, I rent you come collect.
Ringo.
Look right there, man. You come collect.
Deal with it.
Ringo.
Hey, Pastor. Rent you one.
Listen, man.
I rent you one.
Yes, Ringo, draw. Ringo, you're hypocrite.
Where your friend is like?
You're right, me true. I move like a weak card, so I lie, you know. So I go on.
Nothing.
Yeah. So you stop trying to the man in the evening.
You know, I come out early, you know.
Hey, Dad. One thing I have to tell you, you know. You know, so I want to start chatting there again. Yeah, man.
You know what you better do?
Yeah.
You better hurry up and leave here before my father come catch you.
What you talking about, daughter, man? You hear me, daughter? Me and your old man, Irie, you know. You know, so yesterday, he see me and he might heal me up. He might say, heal Rasta, me I say, heal Pastor. Yeah, man, for real, man. All you want to like, yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Anyways.
Yeah.
You know what I want you to do for me?
Yeah, daughter.
Throw the group of jerkies and get me a chicken for me.
I'm fire! What you talking about, daughter? Daughter, burn them things, daughter. Daughter, my blaze, daughter, hot pan them things, daughter. What you talking about, daughter, man? Daughter, my burn them things, daughter. What you
Why
talking
do you even like that? I thought you like me.
Daughter, me like you, but I like chicken, yeah. Daughter, my blaze them things, hot, man. What you talking about, daughter, man? Burn them
Alright,
things, man.
sorry, don't mean to upset you.
Sure.
You could get me some beef.
Daughter, I turn up and beef. Daughter, Rasta blaze them things, they hot, you know, daughter.
How am I gonna eat?
Daughter, oh, you have to leave a high child. A Rasta yard, you know. What you talking about, daughter, man? I blaze them things, they hot, you know, star. What you talking about, daughter?
Alright, since you don't want to get the beef, get me some stew pork.
Daughter, and this year, this Rasta?
No.
Daughter, this year, this eye. Daughter, I'm tell you, someone put fire upon them thing there. Hey, daughter, send them thing to Rasta, you know. Daughter, I shall love me and fear, you know. You see, hey, daughter, you see when time the eye get eye tenement.
Excuse you?
I want the daughter, Philip, I shall. Daughter, I want you stop eat meat. Daughter, stop suck. Both old man like Selassie. Daughter, I want you go to the hills and eat up your Ilalo, your Ibridge, and your Yonkin. Daughter, you know, it's a Rasta rate you. But one thing Rasta have to tell you, now.
No, man. Bon Rasta there. Hey.
Ja, you buy strength. You give someone who pay gonna live next door to the eye.
Well, at least me naturally sexy, me not have to exercise.
That you know, so you're a pay daughter. Daughter, exercise your body, daughter. Exercise, don't keep it high.
At least some of us don't have to roll the streets of the night to be noticed.
A fire! I don't like going control.
That's what the queen of the damn doing. You know the small way for always room. Guess why? Because some of we are digital and some are centennial.
Doctor, you should talk about Centennial. You see right now, you're mega every foreign link and you alone get it.
If some of us were reading the book, they'll know that we don't communicate with the dead. We bury them.
Come on. Boras, I mean you gotta stop with.
Rasta na mix na bang, Rasta na mix up.
Come on. Little girl. Sex up one more time now. Open your mouth.
Kim!
You look your glasses poop up. Come on, but I'll fuck you when I come back.
Kim, I hear a man voice out here. Kim!
Yes, Daddy?
Why you was on there?
Nobody, Daddy.
Kim! You sure you're nobody around there? I hear a man voice out here.
Daddy, no man was out here.
When on me? Don't go. The dread was here.
No, Daddy.
The Rasta boy was here.
No, Daddy.
By the fruits you shall know them. And when I smell that dread, I know it. I smell the smell of a coconut. And the dread always smell like coconut. You know what? I go to my church. And I don't want to see you on the dread. You hear me tell you? Anyhow, you come across the road and the dread come across the road. If bus and truck and car come, you just shut the eye and go across. You hear me say? Don't make him look on you. And you don't look on him. Alright. I'm going down to church. Oh. You alright, Joe? You think me gone? Oh.
You know you want no? You want to take the bench and start with some bench press. Up, down, up, down.
Why don't mind your damn business and leave me alone?
See my business there. Are you in front of my business and do your business, make my business can't make no business? You talk about my own business. Hey, you might have can't fool your papa, but you can't fool me. And you think me don't say you're not the Rasta boy I mix up?
Who, me?
No, me, because that's me I mix up with dreadlocks. Hey, take my foolish advice, you see? You make sure say that Rasta boy are wear the pill then. And you make sure say you take a condom. Because if you don't take the condom and him don't wear the pill, then you get pregunta. And when that the 13-month come for that they pick in the barn, it not go barn and ball like no ordinary picking. There. You go barn and ball out Joe Rastafari. Never living, never faithful, never show emperor, I listen, lost y'all.
Why don't mind your damn business and leave people business alone?
My business? You know what I'm saying? Last week or a week before, I out here and talk to your father, say, Father, you say it's full time, Kim go find a man for yourself. Your father said, no. Anytime that time come, he will go to go find the man. I say, Pastor, you can't say no because every word in thick bush he said, no Ringo. You see that the word, him and the thick.
Why your father don't stop chatting me?
May your father watch and chat to me, love. Believe that you kill his father. That's what your father say after that.
Your father say what?
Your father say that you are feathering. I happen to be past. You know how me get to know that now? Last week right before, I did come to that gate here. And I see your papa right there, so kneel up on the knee. I think I pray the man I pray now. See the man there?
What's the prayer?
Hey, yes, when you look up past me, he was so friendly for me and he make 4. But because I'm a pastor, and I'm a deacon, and I left one of my eyes, so you know, so treat that.
It's all lie.
Your father say that you are feathering. Me don't know if you're a bird, or you're a chicken, Me don't know if your mama is a junk already. But your father say that you are feathering.
You know what? I am not going to stand here and let you disrespect my mother like that.
Say that, girl.
As a matter of fact, I'm going to tell the dread.
Hey. Don't come into that Rasta boy now. You know, so me and that boy can't agree. And you hear me out here talk about what bird fan, what chicken fan, what fowl fan, what feather. Little girl, you can't make a joke.
So,
A joke, Eric. Joke.
alright.
Let's do it.
You don't tell my father about the dread, and I don't tell the dread what you said.
Oh. That seems to me say you just mix up with you then. You go and breed you. Like Ziggy Marley and the Men of the Makers. Gee, little birds. All my... Right, hello, sir. You can't even find Kingston, sir. Me was the Kingston last. Hey, young man. You see there find Kingston? You tell me. How are you, man? Where you come from?
Country, sir.
So where are you doing?
Me de look for a lady with my two pastor man, you come take our country and come down the come Obia, sir.
Wow.
One woman, my two pastor man, you come take our country and come down the come Obia.
So what you want then?
She named Beverly, sir.
So where for this Beverly Park?
My papa say my mama, sir.
Who tell your papa that?
One lady will say banana market, sir.
Tell your papa say
No, she tell her friend Sandra, sir.
Oh, so Sandra go tell your papa?
No, sir, Sandra tell Sarah, sir.
And Sarah taking out tell your papa?
No, man, Sarah tell her friend Jennifer, sir. This man you come like him and mix up.
Oh, so Jennifer no take it tell your papa?
No, sir.
So who tell your papa?
Me don't know, sir.
So, country. Where the other yard?
Me don't know one man name Mr. Pampas. He promised one room. Me say man the room man.
Pampas time, monsieur. Oh, he's using you tenant. Is you supposed to collect Mr. Calgary farm? Is you supposed to rent the party? I'm the landlord. It's my place.
You sound too different.
No man, you see Pampas? Pampas is my agent. Me landlord is my only place. I live right over there, so me near Ringo. So country.
Yes, sir.
You got money?
Yes, sir.
Give me. For the room, first month, last month, terminal security deposit, that one. Country,
Yes, sir.
this bus take up by don't it?
Yes, sir.
Alright, come here. Come here. When I choose your place, called Salvation and Mercy booking here. Backside, you come at town, you place where you got money. Waste man blast it there. Come grab the car with the money there. Welcome to Kingston. This is your room, you see? This is your room. See this side? This side marked no trespassing. Alright? So anybody can knock on your door, you tell them no trespassing. Me live on this, I mean the Ringo, as I said before, me the landlord. I'm partially right there. I want to go live on this one. Don't talk to her, it's not a good girl. I want Rasta boy live on this one, it's not a good Rasta neither. The only friend you have on is me. So take my things and go inside. Huh? Go for your things. And hurry up. This is your room. I'll come and show you. Over here, so let's see, is the bathroom. The toilet, the shit was everything that one. Aye. Where went that to? You know, go and shit. Which pair of that? Alright, as I said before, now this is your room, right? And it's right there, so is the walkway. We're in that too. Good. And come and show you the kitchen. Come on, you want to see the kitchen? Come on. Oh, you're broke. Welcome to Kingston. Go back in the house.
Ringo, I want one in the yard. Eh? Mr. Walk one in the yard. I'm mad man there, you know?
Is who you call madman carbine? Hey, Ringo, tell a girl about me now, cause a man guinea girl don't know me.
What's the one you one in the yard? Ringo, it's who that?
I don't know, Carbine.
Hey, no ramp with me now. Mr. Where am I doing in the front room?
You know that man guinea cat? If that boy tell you the 1 minute when call all your name, they...
In the front room?
Go your front room?
And it look like he broke out to buy my money in our pan church.
It's right, the boy is in that place. Don't talk about that, the boy got money.
What you say a while ago? The boy have money?
Who gets it knows it.
They think you should scare that long time, man. You think we should go put on the red flag? Oh, me look.
You never look no better. Hey, what you do?
He knew that he was going to leave already.
Are your next door neighbor come out?
No trespassing.
Book bang, connect!
Aye. No. good. Then come on, nice when you being so shy. I like your new.
Yo, country.
You work out. You look good.
Country. Hey, wait.
Tell me something. You like to drink?
What?
No man, me not thirsty now. Come Spanish fly me.
No, me not mean like that.
The boy
You
say he does not drink.
Toothpick. Me not chat to you. Come over here. You see me? I'm working on one nice club down the road. Yeah, I'm a professional.
She's a go-go.
You saw her come down the road later. You can't ask anybody for me. You hear me name Dainty. Sexy Dainty.
She's a private dancer. A dancer. So sexy Dainty, you don't want to cheese your pictures this morning?
Nasty Ringo. I'm not cheese chips time now. You know to say green banana there.
Wait. Lad boy. Wait.
Then Pastor, you forgot something?
What here? I mean, oh my gosh. Oh, sorry, dear. I thought it was my handkerchief.
Come on. This one is for.
I took it up by mistake.
Aye, no wrong. Put me this one in the pasta. Pee up. You pee up. Come.
But I didn't stay long.
What is all you mean you never stay long, Pastor? That is not my fault. Look here. Yes, when you come into my department, you make sure you have the money, you know. You come, pay up.
Alright, I didn't collect much at the church, you know. No, collection never come in, so
Me want
you can't hold that, you see?
One. Me look like a school girl to you. What me doing lunch money, eh?
Alright, sure. You don't have to go answer, sure.
Oh, no, hold on, one young girl. You try come.
Alright, see there. Not too bad.
Oh, you're serious? What? Bam! Bam! Everything, Pastor, everything. Move on, you dig to your right. Then you go and dig to your left. Pastor, go down in the jackpot. Go down in there.
Alright, it's everything. I'm a mechanic at church. You see, this is from the blind people department. The poor thing couldn't even see for true collection.
Why does that even look too strong in the early morning, you know?
But I go on now. Not more than that.
I'm going to work for this, you know. But you see tomorrow morning when you come back, you try to come better than this, you hear me?
Me come better than that. You sweet little thing. You're so nice.
Come out, your money gone.
Why does she have to get on like that? Why you have to get on like that? I tell you, see. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do the cake. I want nothing. I want it. I get it. I've been here before. Babe, get up. Let me can't go. Listen. Go lay on the side there before she I tell you something, you see, young boy. I come from church. Boy, I tell you, me just bad luck, you know. And 2 man hold me, rob me, and beat me at tear because no, them and them friend. You tell you, boy.
Oh, God. Poor thingy, man.
A church man come from me, no.
Oh, Jesus.
And then hold me up and take away every cent off of me.
Poor thing. Then you don't live here, sir?
No, me and my wife.
Then what your wife name, sir?
Well, now, this is a pastor wife.
Tell me about the window.
This one, this one happened. This one is who him. Who you?
I'm coming here. I want to come here. If you ask the car,
Kim.
No, me can't.
This one really.
Come here. What the way pound in that place, man? Come here.
Where you come from?
Come here, Kim.
Kim, come
I
here.
don't believe this.
It's who him, Kim. You know him?
Kim will say, your father come from church, you see? I want to come from church. Me see this little boy, go to the window, I'll grab him, the boy hold me.
Jesus.
And when the boy don't fist me,
We never called police.
I was saying, well, that job, I couldn't call out.
Oh, God.
He said, this boy, you know him?
Daddy, I know him. Yeah.
You know what
You know him?
That damn thief, you know him? Have you seen him go through the window? Yes, sir. I tell you about the damn girl we have here. You is like she and she's like in the town is just like
Shut up! No, say this one more evidence. No, man. Ringo!
Dread.
Where's the boy? You don't know that you can talk to them. Who them? What the hell's so crowded? Ringo! You come here, Ringo.
Hey, boy, you here?
Man.
This one, that's what I'm here.
Why,
Hey, what is this, man?
Forget your boy, go to the window.
Are you sure? Hey, boy. Hey, I don't think, man.
What do you mean on thief on her?
You do that. This is the people killing you, man.
What up, Ringo?
Illegal, man.
Hi.
Why?
Hi. Hello. Inside.
Where you at? Where can I do that?
It's who him?
He will that. I read the place, right?
They open pastor renting place and we don't know.
I'm not saying.
Hey. Then Pastor, it's where you coming from this early time of morning, boy, you lost your key. Hey.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Pastor, is where you coming from this early hours in the morning, boy, you lost your key. Answer. Answer the pastor.
We
Where you coming from?
answer to him wife, not to you. Where you come from? Where really you come from? Me say chat up where you come from. Me say where you come from. They chat no me that they explain to me I come from. And that they get you before tell me I come from. They tell me where you come from. Me now go tell me I come from. Where you are? You tell me can't tell me I come from. Well tell me where you come from. Because I lost the key and just that. Lost the key. No wait, I thought me never seen a shutter before.
That may I show you. When I come from church, I want to go to you see, I'm going to tell you at church.
You know something? I don't believe
What do you mean?
word what you say.
What do you mean?
I don't believe you.
Listen. Hey.
This is the like print out to my face.
Babe. Hey, Chaffee, you know.
Since
Babe, you have provoked me, you know. You have provoked the spirit, you know. You're provoking the spirit. I feel like preaching. You know, I said, Ashantalamakunte. Beef in a market, soup in a bone. Dirty nigga, let people business alone. Yeah, some young girl, like take man money, I don't give them nothing. Yeah, some young girl, I take our pastor money, but I said, the good book says, he that keepeth his mouth, keepeth his life. Ashantamakuntela. I tell you something.
You know he's a wicked old man. He's a very wicked man, Why all the while you choose to preach, You dash word for me.
Yeah, that's what right.
When me did young, you did pay down for me. Me I take money from you, You can't pray without dash word.
Well, me preach.
I don't believe a word you're saying, man.
But it's always say you don't believe me. Why
I don't believe you.
Why you can't believe me?
Like print out.
Pastor, I believe you. Kind of fast with me. Hey.
It's not she's enough with you. Me notice from one day and she upset and walking.
Pastor. What are we about weeping and wailing and fasting and gnashing of tongue?
You see this? Because your careless, dirty living. You make all kind of dog and flea take liberty.
Hi, I'm a boss now.
Eh?
You hear me say? I
You
never
walk like one.
How you mean? Eh? That girl, I tell her to come to church.
You clean up.
You never pay the man. You're going to stay there and
Stay there where? Where do you think you're going?
Inside.
You're not coming in here.
How you mean you're not coming inside? Bear. Honey, hold the...
Go on back where you come from. You hear me?
You can't do that. Bear. Buy my chin, let me in. Bear. Alright. Go back where I come from. Nothing wrong with that. Me go back where I come from and you send me back here. Let me go back where I come from.
For my father's behavior. He's not normally like that, you know.
Feel Papa calm. If I didn't ever feel Papa rocks from the boy, like that wasn't a
Snake on the grass, you finally crawl out, eh? What? How are your skin a jump for man? I look for the man to do it.
This is who trouble sharing, Williams.
Let me tell you something. I'm me around here, so let me see a country you come from. You wait, man, I soon start you out.
Don't pay on the man, I choose flux.
You know what? I'll talk to you later, alright?
Me talk to you later too. And the club ever talk later. Ringo, come here. Let me ask you something. I'm not fast. No, I'm not fast now. Mix up. 1 minute.
Yo, country. Go put it on that man.
But me I eat.
Go put it up.
But me I eat.
Quick. What? Yeah, what?
Ringo.
What?
Tell me something. How would you do in a yard there?
Yo, youth. Let me tell you something, you see? It's a yard there. The yard there and country run different. You see anything happen in the yard there, you keep it to yourself. Anything you see around you, keep that to yourself. Yo, you see if you even hear the pastor man and the go-go girl there, don't tell nobody. Keep it to yourself. It's like how the pastor daughter and the Rasta boy there. Don't tell nobody, keep that to yourself.
No man, myself can't hold so much something. Can't eat that to myself, can't keep.
Youth, I'm doing as my born and growing up. And may I tell you this. Doing as well different. I have a see and blind, hear and deaf. Doing as well not 3 rules. That is rule number 1. Rule number 2, you must see and blind, hear and deaf. You may tell them, youth? Alright.
Then what rule number 3, sir?
Don't forget the first 2 rules.
So yo, country.
Yes, sir.
You know how to work again?
Yes, sir.
May I ask you a question? What kind of work is your country?
Tie out cow, sir.
Okay. Alright, Mr. Stalia. May I go on you run the Stalia. Alright? I go on you be the general manager for the Stalia. You ever manage anything yet?
Cow, sir.
It's a Stalia. The Stalia and cow are two different things. It's a Stalia right now. As long as you manage the Stalia, I don't want you giving nothing for the Stalia.
No, sir.
I don't want you trust nothing for the
No,
Stalia.
sir.
And I don't want you name nothing for the Stalia. You hear me I say? No, your first job today is the stocky star. Right? So what I want you to do, go through the fence. See? Go through the fence. And go this side. Go down the lane. When you find in the corner, you just want a Chinaman shop. You go in there and tell the Chinaman say, you want half dozen bag of cheese sticks, some Guinness, some red stripes, some Heineken, some buns, some mackerel, some sardines, some Red Bull. You want some bigger soft drinks and then some bottle of water. Alright? And some tissue and some soap and some cigarette. And you can cook?
Yes, sir.
And then come back, you bunk up 2 bags of rice with me and you here. Alright, then you clean up my room. And come back and sweep up half of the yard. Remember that?
Mm-hmm.
Why not come back? You're not gonna make it. Hey, I saw the fool become a coach one time. Boy, I have to go there.
Where money there, sir?
Do that again, man. We don't use money at all. Just tell the Chinaman say, Ringo, no. Tell the Chinaman say he's an extortionist. Extortionist. Tell the Chinaman say you come be extorting. When you say ex, you will understand. Yeah. Extortionist.
Abortionist.
You're not gonna make it. Boy, not gonna make it all like that. Just one moment of pool. Across the problem. Ice mint, Wrigley's, bubble gum, cigarette, cheese stick, scale out, everything must go.
Ringo.
Everything
Have the
must go.
Panadol,
Ice
give me
mint,
two.
cigarette.
Give me 2 Panadol, the Ringo.
Do what?
Panadol.
$500.
Lord, man, me not ask you the price. Just give me 2 Panadol, no ring.
No, man, I stop just man, a new management, you know.
Me not trust. Alright, you have an Andrews. Give me Andrews now.
$500 of your just look.
Ringo, man. But me can't make it look so hard, man. Give me an Andrews, no, man. Me have problem, Ringo, man.
Babe, for your married today, the pastor man, you have a problem. I'm stop trust.
Ringo, nobody do me some, man. Me always pay, no care how much me take from you.
You,
But the longest me ever take a pay, you 6 months.
me top trust.
Lord of His mercy, Ringo, man. I can't help what's my in a problem. Me no problem, Ringo, problem.
Babe, right now, I said, me, I said, I'm going to come with a man.
Wow, this is a problem
That man
bigger
is
than
up
me
my
and my husband now in a Ringo. I don't even know what to do, me get on fool.
Listen, dear.
Problem, Ringo.
What kind of problem?
Ringo, I don't even want to tell you because you're too chatty, man.
Hey, if I hear walk up in business, make you problem to yourself, make you kill you.
Ringo, me can't find my son, my child.
Then baby, that son.
Of course, me have a child and me leave him down the country.
Hold on. You roll up your pin, you come back on.
No, Ringo, you have it wrong. I did not run left my child. I took the bus come to town for a better life. Nothing wrong with
Oh,
that, Ringo.
so you take a bus, left your pin, you come out town, you have better life.
Yeah.
Why back your pin, you come with you?
Ringo, you must understand me not just coming from the church back I did leave.
So make a care people live at your back with
No,
you.
it could not live wrong
You're a
here.
wicked woman.
Then Ringo,
You and my mom
I
are the
look
same
after my
blood.
child, Ringo. I send money down the country every month. I send toys every Christmas.
Last time, what about man and love?
Lord,
You.
I talk to them on the phone.
No, Jesus. No, you must think to me I'm rough with them today. But we get done for the big up.
car turn upside down.
No.
Hey boy, them things that you couldn't fight.
I'm a thing that come. Take them up. Take them up.
No, you're gonna kick him again, man.
Hey, what you do that? Every job I think is a come. Hey?
Bring up the car.
Let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question. How you trouble on the road? Who you trouble on the road?
One boy stomp me in one of my face them.
And boy thump you? Boy thump you? Can you show me who thump you?
Yeah, come on, me show you where you're bad.
Hold on. Which boy thump you?
Them say them.
Shata? Shata?
Shut
Say thump you?
Yeah, man.
You're sure you said thump you?
up.
You're lucky no thump you kill you.
Then we're going to have to move from out here now.
Hey boy, you can't go on the road and sit back and chimney. You can't go on the with chimney.
You don't understand what easy up now, man. Bring that while I'm going to kick him in the feet, rain and I'm going to tell the bat.
Hey boy, pack up my stand. You know your cars now?
No matter what you say, you're not trouble.
No, Mr. Top. Boy, make sure you come and start pack up now. Hey boy, you see your cars? What tell them up? Tell them up. Protect you. About open it. Is it? Hey boy, take up a chimney, Mister. Take you. Take you. Then take up a chimney,
Jimmy, I'm not you. This way you pass. I'll take up the chimney.
Hey boy. Take up a chimney, Mister. Take up a chimney, Can't put you on the star. Eh? Why you put you on the star? Parents, you want to put you on the star.
You know no sense, Ringo, man.
If you have sense, man,
Easy up now, man. Ringo, please. Just
boy, so me come again, yeah?
give me no sense.
Make sure you pack up my star. I'm going to deal your face when I come again.
Ringo, I'm in trouble, Ringo. I'm in trouble. Yes, what happened now? I have big trouble. What happened in there, you know? Now you...
from where I go. I'm in this time. No.
Hey boy, Mr. Luxon. Eh? Go fix up Mr. Go fix up Mr.
I'm gonna fix it though.
Move. Hey boy, you can't go on the road down with bad man with chimney. Eh? You idiot? Eh? Hey boy, you know gonna wire your cars now? You don't make him down the road that call me? Ringo and Chimmy friend, hey boy, me your friend? Hey boy, me know you?
Yeah, God no. Are you rent me there so?
Me rent your place, boy?
Yeah, you say me never talk to nobody, me only must talk
Hey
to
boy,
you.
come here. See you? You say you can't go down the road now, though. You say you can't go back, no, don't know the shut up if they kill you. Hey boy, you idiot.
Yeah.
You? Come here.
I'm
Come here.
going close.
Sit down there, sir. You say as long as you're paranoid, you can't be no idiot. You have to be a gangster. I see you, I'm going to big gangster in you. But you're going to do it, you're going to bad man with chin.
Ringo. One of the things I'm afraid of you. I'm here alone, you have strength, but I have strength for your belly, not no miggle. Them teeth them in them head colorful like Skittles. So me a bag friend, if him ever come out there and come boy like him want to fight me, I give him a beat him up. So me not take my vitamin, that's why I'm get me here. I'm not say me bad and quick!
Hey boy, where you say all that? Where you say all that?
Me sir.
So where you say all that?
Me sir.
Where you say?
Jesus love me, this I know, for the Bible tells me.
What's your speech now? You got to know it's down bad. Make I tell you something. Better than kill someone. You see all who be dead, they die already. And all who want to live now. That boy want to live.
Me not dead already.
You see next thing around the road, you make sure say, you see shatter before you see you. Anyone else see you will kill you. No. So this, make sure when you go down do the one of this. Now talk to you, man.
Let me do something.
Hey boy, I chat to you. I'm not party. Your country?
Yes, sir.
Ghetto?
No, sir. Anything you have to do it, yes, sir.
Hey boy, I'm tapping in it.
No, sir.
Ghetto?
I want to go back to country.
Hey boy, what's the name, sir? Yes, sir. Anything you're going to do, you see? You make sure you want this. What is? Boy, take it. Take it. Hey boy, I jump in. Hey boy, man. Come on, murder, come on. Hey boy. Where you going? Where you going?
It's under my arm.
Take it out. No, pretend it's a miniature to find it for me. Hey boy, make it touch me now. Find it for me. From your finger.
Them now function, you got clinic a man in.
Squeeze it. Squeeze that. Squeeze it. Hey boy, what you doing?
Me a squeeze it.
Never. Watch him. Look up. Look up. What are you going to say? One. Put it on your waist. Come. Put it in there. Alright. Here's the right hand now. Do so. Okay, ready? Is that finger here? That finger here, go between. Yo! That finger here. Pull up on the cheek, alright? Ready? Work up. Hey boy, where you going? Where you going there?
It's in my front.
Hey boy, take you. Yeah, idiot. Take out it. You know what you do? Go and play gun. Tomorrow make you go and place. Come and teach you how to shoot that. Here? Go and put it down. Yo, boy! Now you.
And then when you give it to one black something.
Hey boy, make your gun.
Yeah, to one black something.
Hey boy, go put it down. Go put it in your room. Let me say, must see a blind here and there. Go put it in your room. Go put it down. So like you're a gunman now?
Me, sir.
Yeah, my friend, you're a gunman.
Alright, me don't want me gunman, so me go give back the gun, sir.
I'm going to put a shot in your knee. So guess what? Let me tell you about kill some. There's two things going to kill some. You have to be a gunman and a girl's man. You probably come back country and the girl for yourself.
Them say one cow down there, make woman, sir, I'm going to breed it.
Hey boy, do you cow?
Yeah, God no ask everybody dead.
No tax again.
Oh, that's true.
They will kill the cow and yummy. And then kill you. Make sure you get a real guy for yourself. You like the pass of data? She's nice, don't you? A good girl. How much you go?
No, sir, that bit poison me.
Yeah. Your teacher will get together for yourself. You have practice by together. So they get together, they get any guy told you want. Right? When she pass the data, she started fragile. You have to anger with her, you talk to her nice, you talk to her decent. But if you want to get the pass the data, good side. You just wait till a morning 6 o'clock when she come out and exercise. And you come out and meet it. But here you have to have an approach. See? You have to say a thing like this. Listen to me now. I go say, hi baby, how are you doing?
Jesus, I can't sing.
Say it. Say it. Say, hi baby, how are you doing? Say it.
Hi, baby.
You think I call country attack? Say it again. And this time talk softly. Nice, smooth. Hi baby, how are you doing?
Soft.
Yes. Hey. Last time I'm going to show you. See, now get you right? You're shot in your knee. Now pretend say 6 o'clock in the morning. Alright? pretend say me, I pass the data. Look me. You know, look me. Mister, if you look me. Hey boy, make it out look me. Eh?
My stomach sick.
Me sick at all?
God knows in my stomach.
You will live. Cause you don't worry about that. You just make sure you come out your sister can go every morning. One day you must get the parcel out, alright? Now you see you go, that easy to catch. All you have to do is make sure the cheese is on the start. But if you have to have a little style, then call it a profile. Now watch this now. She had a come on that way, other way. And when she come from, you just come out there and catch her. Watch me boy, hey, country, watch me. Catch. Eh? I see some. Right? And since you come, you just say this. Yo. That's not more. I'll try that. Let's try it. What is the boy? The boy already did that. Watch me, watch out. Hey. Alright. I say, yo. Talk to like you talk to go. Moo! You can't say moo. You have to say, yo. Alright. Let me tell you. Hey, sit down, come on. Hey, remember, you talk loud. You say, yo. Yeah, remember that. Hey! Woo!
No.
No,
man!
Ringo! Come and box me!
Problem. Kim, what is wrong with you?
Mommy, I'm not feeling well.
You drink tea this morning?
Yes, Mommy, so just not.
You having a headache or what?
No, Mommy, man.
What is wrong with you? Tell it to me. You have a problem?
Mommy, that depression.
What? What you say?
Relax, Mommy.
Damn it, after all. No, I know it. So why you just wait to tell me now, child? Why you just tell it? If you're afraid to tell me, why you never tell teacher at school? Jesus, what did they do? Mommy, what I'm doing? Mr. Tell me what I'm doing. I swear I'm going to lock him
Relax,
up.
Mommy. Just pressure me to be the church secretary.
Oh, damn it, after all. But nothing is wrong with that. Wanted you to be a church secretary. No, you make me all think so smutty about your dad. Eh? I was just reading the other day that a man want to rape his daughter. And that is what I think about. No. You always a complain and you're boring and you want something to do. Eh? Why you don't take the offer?
Me, I don't want to do that.
Why not? What you want to do? Eh? Jig up like them other girl on the street? You don't think you better go to church go do something? He's a good half a man. I go and talk to him. Take it. Or better yet, if you don't want to be the secretary, make you be the treasurer.
To do what?
Treasurer and the money. And you know we need money. No, I'm not telling you to thief, you know. You can't take some at the time.
Mommy,
I feel no way about it, man. I will teach you how to do it. Yeah? You won't find out. Yes, and then you will have something to do and you can share the money. Talk to your father, I went to talk to him.
So Kima, what do you?
If the rebel in you can touch a rebel in me, and the rebel in me can touch a rebel in you, and the rebel will be, it's gonna set us free.
And the way you move so sexy, mama, you're bringing me to my knees. Dancing the air like you kept up on tea, shaking it, make it down, get down.
Ringo, what one in the song? No shish, me say what one in the song.
Angel, it's Beanie and Barbie inside here.
Oh man, you come like you're deaf. Me say what Kima do in the song with me man.
Your man just changed course. Don't stop the progress.
Progress. Alright, me want to say pastor, no wonder the progress there. Pastor!
Where do you? Let me smell nice for. Calm yourself.
You know you always them something, huh? Take my man, the man give them way now. But you know, go some more.
No.
Get it.
I told you explicitly say, first come, first serve. Sit down by your turn.
I'm saying now, wait.
Sit down. Hello. One at a time.
Sit down by your turn. I'm sure you got the money. Can I collect going there? Toes nine. Sit down.
You're not to go, my man. Ringo.
Yeah, man.
You must always promote me when I go and bad like me whole nigga in the yard.
Yeah,
What
man.
do you mean by man?
You know who is that boy, sir?
No, my man.
A big son.
Hey, you must stop telling lies. You just a liar, wicked and nasty, man.
This is a big boy. Or him because big mama or big because his mother or something. But they don't hurt him. A big picnic.
Give me the one I should have looked for.
You know him? You got him up and they are working out and going. But I set him up so I broke him out now.
Oh my God, like you serious?
Be serious?
You mean that big?
Yeah.
No, man, move up your body.
Come here, bigger please tell the bad.
Hold on. That means that you are promote family ram in the song.
Come out here.
Family ram.
You know, that boy is there with the cow. Don't reach Ram, it's reach you.
Hey.
Sit down and find your turn.
Wait, don't know?
Do your turn.
No, man. Now, strangers may know about me. What me gonna do with Ben go to some? Look, I don't want him. Me don't want him. Yeah, we know you and Kim can keep him. I'm gonna get ready for work. Got the road nice.
When the fox can get the girl, they say sour. One sour girl. Yeah, see, one thing me know, and my boy that.
This almost 6 pounds don't came up here now. So these people that are trying to have my money now. Can you imagine I have my whole house and I pay rent for these culprits? Right! You know what? Me on them this morning. No, I don't rent this room yet. I'm serious this morning. Serious like a judge. I won't even smile. You think I know you're in there? Eh? Oh. You know that the rent, Joe? What is the name again?
Name.
Okay. How you spell name?
Just right, Dutchy, babe.
Alright. We can't spell Dutch. Anyway, I don't have to spell your name. I'll never do the look on you and draw you. Hello? Alright, she said, you're just in time. I hope anybody care come from. I need my rent money today. Come on. Oh, she said, let me tell you something. You see this room here? You do not have an iPad. I don't ready for rent it yet. Come on, take it down. You say your face big and from a circus? Watch it. Ringo, my boy. Ringo. How are Pampas, do yourself a favor. Take care of yourself before they sell you too. I'm hot of here, you're right? Right here!
Rastafari.
Rastafari, I'm here!
I know that.
What the eye, the blind the eye?
Yeah, I want blind the eye. Why all the while I try to disrespect the eye?
Me!
You! Why you knock on the rest of people place one time and knock on my own 10 times?
Me!
You! So you try this side?
Me!
You! Make I tell you something. Don't come back around here. Don't come back around here. All the while you come and try to disrespect Rasta.
Me!
You make Rasta look wild somewhere. Give me them. It's from now on, I run things on us. You know, some of you have to tell all our people in Boss, and I come to Boss, you see the eye eat pork. You ever see the eye eat pork?
Them say yes, cause them jerk it give you.
You take Rasta for mackerel?
Me Ras, me not take it for mackerel.
Boy. You know, say this Rasta.
Me!
You! Hey, Rasta, go put this fire in the boy. Take for yourself.
Come here, I'm going to go.
Me! You! Nobody are going like a wicked. And I'm going like you don't know, so Rasta will disrespect you. You see anyone come out and come on and want this Rasta, hey, I actually go and know enough. Any boy come back in my place, I mean I run things down enough. Because some boy are going like wicked. Any boy try this way, you kill wicked a boy be. You got this up a boy.
Yo.
Go.
You run here, son?
No.
Run away.
Oh, that's it.
Problem. When I go and solve this problem, Father God, I beg you to help me solve it. Where else can I turn? Where can I look? Well, I want to have Kim cook. Oh, I can't eat.
Mommy, what is wrong with you?
Kim, baby, I don't really like to tell you, but a shame.
Come on, Mommy, man, you know you can't talk to me.
You sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Kim, I don't even want to tell you.
Mommy, what is wrong?
Kim, I can't find my son.
Something wrong with you? Which son are you talking
I
about?
have a child, Kim. Yes, I do have a child. I left him down the country like 20-something years. It's not that I give him away or anything, you know. Because I send money down the country every month. And I send him toys every Christmas.
So why you never tell me about this?
Kim, I didn't know how to tell you. Time just catch up on me and I didn't tell you, but sorry about it. I have a wonderful son. And I have something else to tell you, darling. But please don't take it as a shock. It is true, but just take it calm. You is not my child.
What?
You're not my real child. Kim, I had us to take it from you from your born. To take the shame out of the church. Your father got deacon wife pregnant. And we took her away and you was born, and from that I have you. Never mind. Never mind. I do understand. Never mind, Kim.
Mommy, so to Daddy about this.
I tell him yes, but him just not listening to me.
Daddy! Daddy, come here.
Yes.
Daddy, come here once.
Don't even want to tell him again, because he know everything about it.
Just about go to watch church, you know. Because John, I appoint him as deacon and he come like him want to take the word of the money. And me and John, I want pound and carry, you know. I'm going to run joke and with it. And me and John build up the church.
Daddy, that's not what I want to talk about.
What are you talking about them?
Mommy have a son and he's missing and you're not doing anything about it.
Kim, you have a picnic?
No, Daddy.
Kim, you have anybody missing?
No, Daddy.
Kim, you missing?
No, Daddy.
Kim, me missing?
Daddy, no.
Kim, us missing?
No, Daddy.
Now on the backside you worry about Bevan or damn picnic we're missing. Eh? If picnic missing, should I report a kingfish? Eh? Hey, watch out. Why don't take flashlight and go look for that backside? Eh? Hey, what you worry about? Worry about the dancing contest. Well, come on. Because you have to enter. You hear me say? It's $2.10 million. You hear me? And you want us to put on the roof of the church. Oh, so you remember say we have to go there and dance. Whether you like it or not, you have to win. Whether you enter or not, you have to win. You hear me say? Whether you want to go or not, you have to win. Oh, and you better start taking exercise, you know. Because you're going to enter the competition too. You must enter that competition. You hear me say? Because if you don't win, you have to win. And if you don't win, you have to win. One must win. Me don't talk. Me don't talk.
I just can't believe
Me don't talk.
the husband gets strange. No, look, the house for sale. We don't live nowhere to talk about church family.
So you left your youth.
How dare you?
Oh dear, yo, wicked mama.
Wicked like you dirty mama who get in a banana trash. How to father bright and feisty. The forward. That's how Ringo do. Pack up your head and nonsense and tell the people busy but don't tell you it right. I didn't run left my child. I took the bus come to town for a better life.
A better life for a better man.
I said, don't talk to me like that. Huh? From the day I see, I know that your man I get if you a bunch of banana. Have no respect. Mark the word with me, you know. I'm a big woman. A senior citizen could be a mother. Come on, run out of father.
No, man. Nasty Rasta boy, come here.
She box me. Yo, daughter, I want you to get another. Come and put white here, daughter. I don't want to make Rasta look worse, you know. You saw you did the Rasta. Just so much. I don't pot. I don't want to deal with it.
Rasta boy.
Yeah.
Mister, me never cooking your pot
So where you use Rasta thing and do that? Where you use the eye thing and do? Yeah?
You want me use it and do?
Yes, I want to
But
use
I said two panty in there for soak.
No, you see all them thing that we are going to take Rasta for fool, you know.
Why?
Hey, daughter, don't set up again, you know. You get the joke, you know.
What?
Hey, daughter, you're not going to set up again, you know. So step in your face, you're going like.
Oh, man.
Yo, Boras. Free up yourself.
All you involved in the Rasta thing to ball killer, what you do? And the war, I come to look, you know, peace and I preaching. And the daughter this side.
Peace I preach.
Yes, I.
Do something for me then.
Yes, I am.
Well, I'm a jerky and tell me to get 2 pounds of jerk pork. And yo, taste it and make sure you say load with pepper. So what am I say? I front?
No, I.
What am I say?
We don't jerky. I get 2 pounds of pork. I make sure it's full of pepper.
What you do?
Taste it.
Oh, run then now.
Country. I would just.
Yo, don't call my country. Shebada, my name.
Then Shebada, you turn bad man.
Don't study me. You with mad.
You know me love my bad man them.
Take away your froze yourself. Yo, forward.
I couldn't know that.
Go home.
I just bring back your jacket for you. You know what? I have a surprise for you. I'll get tired of your room.
Yo, B. Clean up your quarters.
So why are you talking to me like that? I have something I want to talk to you about. My father pressured me to enter this dance competition and I don't want to. I feel if I enter, people going to lose respect for me. And most of all, I don't want you to lose respect for me. The only reason why I would enter doing is for my mother because she really need the money. The other day was so amazing. The way you make me feel, the way you give me the bed, and you sleep on the floor, and you're not even asking for sex.
Yo, Kim, let me tell you this. And every time a man and a woman go behind closed door, they must sex. Sometimes they just go behind closed door and flex.
Stop it! I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Whoa! Oops! Ringo! Ringo, 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 Ringo! Ringo! Ringo, 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 Ringo! What the hell is that? Oh my lord! I'm happy to see you, brother. Ringo, what happened? You're not glad to see me? Ringo, you're not happy to see me? Ringo, 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 Ringo.
Smurf, stop ringing up my name, man.
Oh, you mean something on the name? I'm your provider. You're not happy to see me?
You're that wicked man.
What wicked? What are you talking about?
You make me go in.
With what?
Oh, if you have me MSC for you, one guy left me. With the gate money, receipt money, back on everything.
Yeah, but Ringo must understand as a promoter, when things not going your way, you got to flee from the Philistine. Nah. But don't worry, man, I'm here. I'm with a new plan. You don't happy, huh? Ringo, listen to me. I was thinking about something. You see this year, the competition is going to be bigger and better. We're going to offer $2.5 million.
This year?
Yeah.
I'm going to be a 9 out of in that one. And I'm going to kill you.
Come on, Ringo, man. For $2.5 million. $2.5 million. $2.5 million.
Smurf, I don't care.
$2.5 million.
2.5 million?
Yes.
That's what I like money.
So, hey, come here, Ringo, man. You know, I was thinking about the place and I say, you see this year competition is going to be here in the yard. Right? Look, you have a stall right there. So we can bring the competition right in the yard. I would have to pay nobody for no rental. Think about it.
But 2.5 million.
Yes.
Money from.
I don't worry about it, man. I'm a promoter. And this year, it's going to be only female.
No, yeah, because you're like ding dang and
No. We don't want any males this year. We only want females.
That means man, we can't get some boy for that and listen because you man them know.
Ringo, are you listening to me? I said no males, only females.
This is a female.
Females.
What may I say? It's like a 2.5 million. I have to split the money in that two. Give the woman there one.
Ringo, you're not listening to me. Hold on. No, man. Something going wrong. No, man.
What?
Your face is on diet? No, Ringo, man. Shape up, Michael. But Ringo, just come and check the man, okay?
So Smurf,
what?
Me ask you a question. You couldn't just take him 5 man.
Ringo, I said no. Read my lips. Can you comprehend? Did you go to school?
only females. Okay? Catch it. Tell me something. My baby here? Huh? Only female.
Yo, ahora. Mayo, don't chat in ahora.
Amida.
What you want?
I ain't gonna talk to you.
Mayo, don't ask now. What you want?
I want to talk to you.
I hope something and I saw you going and I said, please.
You'll be my cousin, Mr. Here, man.
Yeah, me a waste, man.
This boy is. Come by. Me must say please. No, me say now come out. Please. May I talk to you? Let me tell you. Yes! Yeah! Early style! Acho que é boa, é sempre perfeito.
Yo, Mayo, dog rounds.
Olha. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of myself. Real time. One thing I can tell you. Don't ever try this again. Remember, say me bring you. Alright. Hey, here's a Shebada. Here's a Shebada.
Yo, see I'm like here and deaf.
I said something about you to want to kill you, know. You need a smurf. But me really did it. But here I know. Is that same smurf there? You put on a competition every year. A dance competition, you know. And this year, the money bigger. This year the money are $1 million. So me here see a guy like a passa and the baby and this thing them. So me don't want dance now. If you could find a girl we can dance, you can say no one no man in it, pay a female, right? So if you can't find a girl we can dance, more take care of the winnings. All you have to do, make sure you get can dance. See? And there is pretty money between each other, 50-50. You see? You get 100,000, me get 100,000, and she get 100,000. That cool? Give me that, yeah? I'm gonna ask reason. I tell that never leave. Respect what you have with my. Yo, we'll see you next time in that point you do it. Welcome to this 2008 dance-off in the Ghetto dance-off competition. And tonight we have 1, 2, 3, 4 contestants waiting for $2.5 million. I say waiting for because somebody's gonna walk away with a whopping $2.5 million in cash. Cash, we say cash. And now we have Pastor, who is one of our dear neighborhood community judge. And we have the producer himself, Mr. Smurf, is the pastor. Hey guys.
Hi, hello, guys. I'm here, get on.
Now, if anything wrong, I just say if anything go wrong with this competition, name the producer. Good. Now, are you ready for contestant number 1? Lady, we call her the Eily one. Ras Rahim. Place your heads together for Ras Rahim. Read him up.
I'm going to put you on the choir.
That was contestant number 1, vying for $2.5 million, and she's in the money. Put your hands together now. For contestant number 2, this lady danced for a living. She danced all night long, and she's here tonight to ring up a star. Put your hands together for Dainty, really more. Stop. All right, okay. That was contestant number 2, the lady Dainty, dancing for $2.5 million. Next, this lady's last year winner, and she's here this year to reclaim the prize of number 1 position again. Put your hands together for the lady we call Merkel from the Gully Banks. Merkel. Contestant number 3, the lady Merkel from the Gully Banks. Next we have contestant number 4. Now this lady is from the church, representing the church community. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together now for contestant number 4, the lady Kimberly. Ladies and gentlemen, you have seen. Listen up. You have seen the 4 contestants. Now, by your applaud and your applaud only, we will choose the winner tonight. So, what do you say for contestant number 1?
Is the entrance.
What you say for contestant number 2?
I don't think I have to tell you the same thing, you know. Look on you. You're not happen. You forgot shot. I don't come back this. Come on.
Say for contestant number 3, Merkel from the Gully side.
Landslide. Oh, woman.
What you say for Pastor Daughter, contestant number 4?
Yeah! Yeah! Merkel, where you go? They robbed me. You this is curry favor. Where you coming? Curry favor. Shebada come at town. The Ghana country. Alright, me not take this down. Me not take this up. You have to go there. You have to go. That joke about say, come. Kim, take the things out. Leave. Kim. I say leave it. How you can lose? How the boss say you can lose? It never so. No, this have to count over. This can't go so. How you can lose? Eh? Mr. Kim, all you do, when the music start to play, all you have to do, cut it up. You know? That's all you have to do. Eh? What me teach you? Take the things and left it up.
It's not my fault.
How the boss say you don't know your fault? Eh? You think the boy that get my money, so? Motherfucker, we kill that child.
That is weird. Wait, no.
Don't say that to me. Hey, bring out the boy. Who is this?
Hi, baby. You want somewhere to live?
You don't come out of
Hey, look again. I must say, my own meaning. Hello, you walk and stop like it. Hello. Call a man for me, no girl. Hello, don't take out the woman's stand. Come give me money, Yomi.
Ringo, you can't wait.
Just give me the money,
Ringo, wait. Let me run go down the country for identity.
No, give me money, no, man. Give me
Ringo,
money.
I little problem with tell somebody that then find one body and me for identification
Yeah,
for my son. No, Ringo. I'm gonna give a phone. I'm gonna give a phone. Ringo, wait, I'm gonna give a phone. Wait till my husband come.
Yo, Milo.
Why,
I mean, I beat up the fool.
Mother?
Yeah, mommy and me, Wesley.
Wesley? No, this can't be real. Wesley, are you? Wesley?
Yo.
Are you this?
Ringo, give me my time. Hey, run.
I'm my pin down where you
Run.
Hey, man, Wesley. We can't breathe on Wesley.
Yeah, I'm with him, what?
Oh, Jesus Christ. Wesley. Wesley, get on from. 1, 2, good.
They say I look like
Wesley, no, Wesley.
Pastor! Pastor!
Oh, Shantalaba, as the good book say, listen to me, son, I'm a pastor. Thou shalt not kill.
Yo. The book never said thou shall not commit adultery. Go. Move.
I don't mean,
Something was wrong.
I don't mean,
Listen to your mother.
I want to be a mother now for you, Wesley.
Yes.
I want to take you to the park. I want to buy you a lollipop. Wesley, please don't read it. Don't work.
Yes, me no work.
Don't work, Wesley, please.
Don't work.
God, pray for him now.
Remember the law said, crime stop, solving crime pays.
Yes, Wesley, please.
Me no work. Please. No shoot. Hey, remember say me take a fan go John take care of you know. Remember me set up in a life, you know.
You?
Why you just change for me so?
Don't study me. You will mad. Remember this? When you hear it, run. Yo. So.
Come here. Come here. You. No, listen.
No! Hold it in.